This is a range test. Oh my gosh, where'd it go?
That one wasn't the best. But that was still pretty good.
Where did it land?
Over there. Here, let's.
Okay.
There. See it?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And show
Okay.
how far it was.
It's there from that porch over there. Okay. Now, how's this gonna work? Here, you film me, I'll shoot it back, I guess.
Alright, here's something where I can see it.
I'm just gonna play Didn't make it.
Did it go on the roof or something?
No, it's right there. Think I won?
Over by the shoe.
Did
Maybe.
I win? Or you did?
I don't know.
I think I might have beaten you by just a little